Hey guys, so guys, today again I am with you with the new AI tool. And last time I explained you Meta AI and Grok. Today I am going to show you one new tool. This one is also very easy and very useful. You can create long stories or short stories immediately, very fast. So guys, without wasting our time, let's start. So the first thing you have to go to the Chat GPT and you will give the prompt for your story, whatever you want. Suppose I give the prompt here um, for the supermarket or the food stall. A man, I want to create a story about the boy who's taking interviews or conducting interviews in the fruit market. So ChatGPT will create the result and then we will start work on it. So guys, again, now the ChatGPT is generating. After ChatGPT generate the result, we will ask the ChatGPT convert into image prompt because it will be easy because if we have image prompt, so we will just copy the image prompt and paste in our tool, the website, what I will show you. So you can see now ChatGPT has created the story scene wise. Now I will ask the ChatGPT to create the image prompt for this story. Okay, so you can see there are 7 scenes, but I will not work on 7 scenes now because it will be very long video. So I will show you just 3, and after that, once you understand the logic, you can create any long story. What do you want? Okay. So now we have the image prompt here. Now we will go to Google and we will write Whisk AI. Okay. And once you write Whisk AI and press enter, the first one you will see Whisk and you will click on it. You can log in with your Gmail, any of your Gmail, and once you click on it, you will see yani, some questions. Just click on checkbox and press next, and then go down in the last, in the end, and continue. You will find this story. Whisk AI has his own templates. If you want to use this gallery, so you can use, there is the templates, you can use it. But yani, if you have your own story, like we created image prompt from ChatGPT, so we will click on enter tool and we will create our own images. Okay, just click next. Okay, once you enter, you will find this type of screen, and this is the place where you will paste your prompt. You will copy your image prompt from ChatGPT, what you generated, not you, ChatGPT generated. You will copy from here and paste it there. Once you paste here, you can change the aspect ratio from here. So aspect ratio, if you want to create the short story or the small story or whatever you want, so as per your aspect ratio, you will create. I pasted this, and from here I will choose the aspect ratio for short story or for long story, landscape, square, or whatever. Suppose I select this, and after that you will click this arrow and it will start to generate. Within seconds it will generate the images for you, and you can choose one of the image what you think is good. Okay, suppose I like this image, so I click on it. Okay, I see this one. You can download from here. There is the download option. From here I download it. Okay, now again I remove this and I go to ChatGPT again and I take the second image prompt. I copy from here and I will paste it here, but before click the arrow, because we need consistent character, yani this character, so we have to upload this image here, what we downloaded first. So we will upload the image, we'll go to download. I think we did not download it, so we download this one. Okay. This one. Okay. So now the character will be consistent. Yani the same character we will write here, and then we will click the arrow. Yeah, stop. Yes. So you can see now it's creating the second image for your video. Now you can see you also download, suppose I take this one, I download this, and now we come on the third. We move from here, we go to the ChatGPT, the third scene, the third prompt, we copy from here, we will paste, and we will delete this if you want to delete, otherwise you can keep the same. I upload this one now. Stop. Why you are moving round and round, round and round, round and round. So, okay. Now it's creating the third image. Now, after the third image, because I have the ChatGPT generated 7 scenes, so I will not do 7. I will just take 3. So I download this one also. Now we have to create the video from these images. So for this we have one new tool. It's also free. Perfect. So once again we go. Sorry, I was talking in Urdu because many of my viewers say why you make the videos only in English. Also make the videos in Urdu. So I will do it. But for now I started in English, so I will finish in English. Okay, so let's go to Google and write flow. Once you will write flow, the first one you will find this flow. Okay, this the same process. You will connect with your Gmail address. Okay, and I prefer the same Gmail what you used before. You can use it. I already connected with the Gmail, so I click on the new project, and you will find this type of interface. The light is opening. Okay, so there are 3 options: text to video, 4 options basically. Frame to video, ingredients to video, and created image. We already have the images, so we will click on frames to video. Okay, this is Vue 3.1. So here we have to give the prompt, yani which type of environment you want. Like I generated a story in ChatGPT. A boy is walking in the street and taking interviews, conducting interviews from the salesmen. So now I have to write this prompt, yani how it will work, what he will ask. He has the mic or whatever we have, because this Veo 3, this is the latest one. Okay, so for this again we need ChatGPT. So again we will go to ChatGPT. So guys, here I created one of the prompt. You can put your imagination, yani if you are talking about one boy, so how it will be look like, how it's going on the street, yani with the mic or without mic, or and how he's conducting interviews, how he's checking the food, and whatever. Okay, so Vue 3, for this we need this JSON prompt. After that you can get the music, any background music, the dialogues and everything, the videos. So this one I will put it here. I am asking from the ChatGPT, or you can create your environment in your mind, your imagination. Okay, I click on it, so it will create the JSON prompt for Veo 3. Okay, so you can see now the prompt has been generated. I will put in my description also, so you can take this, or if you have some imagination in your mind, so you can do yours. Just once it's finished, you will just click on copy code, and you will come in Flow where we were creating our frame to videos, and I will paste it here. And next thing I will do on this plus sign, and I will put my first image. What was the first image? It was the first image, so I will upload this. Okay, I can choose my aspect ratio I need in the landscape or portrait for shorts or for long videos, whatever you want. And that's it. So now if you want to crop your video, you can do it also. Okay, crop and save. If you want to crop, just in this area, suppose I want this area only. Okay, you can drag it like this and crop and save, and click on the, once it's upload, you will click on the arrow. The image is still uploading now. You can see the image has been uploaded, and this white arrow is enabled. Just you will click on this arrow and your video will start to generate. So just you have to wait for a few seconds. So guys, you can see now it has been created, the video. Okay guys, so like this I created my first scene. You can create many scenes with Flow free, without any fees, any subscription. Okay, and you see here is a download, so you can download this, which GIF, original size, or whatever you want. Suppose I say 1080, so it will download my first scene, and after that you can edit which software you use. I usually use Filmora. I show you this one. This is Filmora editing software. This is very interesting and easy software, and also I am recording from this software. There is the voice recording, PC screen recording, web camera. Okay, so guys, this was for today, and I will bring another AI interesting tool free for you in my next video. And also for those guys who ask me to create the video in Urdu, so yes, I am planning to do it, and very soon I will do it. So if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe and share with your friends, because now you can earn without doing anything. Just first and second time, maybe it will take more time. The third time, it will not take time. So, okay, guys, I will not take your too much time. Till the next video, take care. Bye.